Hello everyone, my name is Akash Patel from Concordia University, Chicago. Today I'm going to show you the UI part of my Android SOS Alert app. So today I am making SOS app. Uh, this is a small emergency app where you can save contact and then in the background the phone can detect a strong shake and automatically send a message with your location to those contacts. So in this video, I will write the XML layout for the main screen of the app live. Then I will show the layout file for each contact now, contact row, and I will explain everything in small, simple word so even beginners can understand. So in the second video, I will write the Kotlin code for the main activity, explain all the other Kotlin files, and also show a live demo of the final app working. So let's start with the XML. So now switch to activity main.xml. So this is my main layout file named activity main.xml. So this file controls how the main screen looks, where the button is, where the list is, etc. While you type the XML for show it, you can speak like this. So first I will create a linear layout as the root. A linear layout is like a simple vertical or horizontal container. Here I am using vertical orientation, so my view is will come one below another. So let's start create the linear layout. Let's write first all code. Then I will explain everything. It's a UTF-8. Then let's start the linear section, linear layout. Android first, let's orientation. It's a vertical orientation. Then Android paddings. Padding set 620p. Then Android layout width. Let let's set parent. Then same thing Android layout height. It's also mesh parent. Set. Let's do the button. Let's set the button. First add the Android ID. Let's add the plus button one. Then let's add the width, math parent, and height, wrap content. Then Android text. I want to add the text. Let's add text. Add emergency contact. And let's finish this. Then let's set the list view. Then first ID. Plus ID list view. Then also match parent. Then height set 0 dp. Then set margin top. Margin top. Let's say some margin. Set 16 dp margin. Let's set the system. Then layout weight. Width set 1. That so this is our layout. Okay, so I said first match parent for the width and height, so it fills the whole screen. You can see here, fill the whole screen. So this is the for set the whole screen and padding 16. So just give some empty space, this empty space from the edge, so the UI doesn't touch the border. So then uh, now I add one button at the top. Here you can see this. This button will let the user add an emergency contact from their phone's contact list, and I give it an ID button 1. So I can find this button in Kotlin code using find view by ID. Width is match parent, so it cover full width. That's why. And height is wrap content, so it only takes space needed. Text is adds SOS contact. So I add this add emergency contact. So I add this text. I set text all caps is equal to false. So it's look normal, not all capital letters, but I said the capital letters. Okay. And I add a small bottom margin to give some space before the list. Okay. Then uh, now I will add a list view. This is the list view. I did this. So this list will show all the saved SOS contacts, so their name and phone numbers. So I set ID as a list view. So in Kotlin, I can connect this list. Width is again full screen. For height, I used 0dp together with layout width 1, width 1. So this is a small trick in Android. We say the button takes only the space it needs, and the list view takes the rest of the space on the screen because weight is 1. So the contact list can grow and fill the remaining area. Okay, you can see here this one and this one. So this is a simple layout. Give us one button, okay, and one list below to show all saved contacts. So then I will explain. Now I will show the second XML file. So item user.xml. So this file is not a full screen. This is only the design for one row of the list view and how one contact will look. So that's why I did this. So you can see here how it's look like. So that's why I write this. Here again, I am using the linear layout as a root. Inside it, I am using the card view, which gives a nice card style UI with shadow. You see here, I use this card view. So it's nice, like you can see here, it's like a shadow and rounded corner. You can see this. So inside the card view, I have another vertical linear layout with some padding and two text views. You can see here. So TV name for the contact name, you can see here, and TV phone for the phone number uh, with a slightly bigger size and bold style. So everyone contact in the list view will look like this small card, name on top and number below it. So in the Kotlin code, I will fill this text view with the real data from the database. We will contact this layout to the custom adapter class in Kotlin. So the list view knows how to show each contact row. Okay. So so this is it for uh, our first video. We finished the UI design, activity main.xml main screen with the bottom and list view, item user.xml layout for one contact row. You can see here, and write entire. So in the next video, I will write the entire main activity.kt code live, explain how we save contact in SQLite database, how we read the phone contacts, and how we start a set detection service. And finally, I will do a live demo and show how the SOS alert is sent. I would also like to give a special thanks to my professor, Dr. Bhakti Govind Swami, for the constantly guiding and motivating me to build project like this and learn Android development in a practical way. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video too, where we code the Kotlin part and test the full SOS.